Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeLand, where WordPress and Woocommerce come to life. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to filter coupons based on coupon items on Woocommerce Bulk Coupons, the editing plugin. The coupon items in Woocommerce are defined as the products and categories assigned to each coupon. It's very usual for store managers to filter some coupons according to the coupon items. But you can't perform this task directly from the Woocommerce coupon page. However, by using the Woocommerce Bulk Coupons, the editing plugin, you can easily filter coupons based on coupon items in the filter form. To have access to the coupon items in the filter form, you need to open this filter form from the main page of our plugin and then go to the Usage Restriction tab. In the Usage Restriction tab, you can see coupon items, include products, exclude products, include categories, and exclude categories. Next to each coupon item, we provide two boxes, condition box and selection box. Those boxes make it very easy to filter coupons based on coupon items. Now here in the condition box, three default options are listed, and to filter coupons based on coupon items, you need to choose one of them from the combo box of each item to apply a function to the item of selection box. The first function is OR. Our first item is OR, which is to filter the coupons assigned to each item selected from the selection box. And then we have AND, which is to filter coupons assigned to all items from the selection box. And then lastly, we have not in. And what not in does is that it filters the coupons which are not assigned to each item in the selection box. As you can see, to select items from the selection box, you actually need to type a letter, and then you'll see a list of items containing that letter, which you can select as many as you need and then add them to the selection box. If you want the plugin to trace the filtered coupons based on coupon items correctly, we recommend that you add coupon items to the coupon table in the column profiles form. Alright, so now let's take a look at some examples of filtering coupons based on coupon items so you can get a grasp of how it's done. Example number 1, filtering coupons based on assigned products. For example, we want to filter the coupons assigned to one of these products. Our products are a new collection of clothes and album. First of all, you should open filter form. Go to Usage Restriction tab and select OR from the condition box of include products, and then type A, the letter A, in the selection box. Now select your products from the list and click on Get Coupons. And that's all. All of the coupons are filtered successfully, and now to check if the plugin did it perfectly, you just need to click on the product button of one of the coupons in the table. And as you can see, this coupon has been assigned to the album, which is one of the products we have selected in the selection box, if you remember. In the next example, we want to filter the coupons assigned to some special categories, including accessories and clothing. Now, every step is the same as the previous example, except now, you should actually go ahead and choose AND from the condition box of category, and then select accessory and clothing from its selection box. And now if you click on Get Coupons, we should see that the filtered coupons are in the table. But you see the plugin displayed only the related coupons.